What's going on, YouTube? This is Connor with Tournament Technologies coming back at you guys with another video this morning. We're going to be doing a little bit of repair work on this Ranger. We're going to be removing the all-aboard live scope system that he's got on the trolling motor right now. We're going to be mounting the LVS34 back to the shaft of the trolling motor. We do have to replace the entire sub-assembly on this Garmin Force as the customer broke the shaft. We're going to be removing the crappie brakes that he has, or the one left on the Raptor, and we're going to be replacing them with some power brakes. We're going to be going through, checking out a couple other wiring additions that he wants done. And then, as always, we're going to go out and river test the boat, make sure everything's good. So y'all follow along with this one. We'll kind of walk you guys through everything we're doing as we go about it. We're going to go ahead and install the customer's new power brakes he's going to be putting on this boat. So we're just going to start kind of running through everything, hopefully get this sucker wrapped up today so we can get it out and moved on to another project. Alright, so we finished up mounting the power brakes. As you guys saw, it's not always pretty when you're dealing with used parts and stuff like that, and you have to order new hardware. Sometimes things don't line up. As much as I don't like it, sometimes you just have to make things work. So we drilled some different holes and mounted everything up, got them all ready to go. So now we're going to move on to getting them wired up, and then that'll be the last little bit that we have to do on this boat here. We're going to double check everything, and then it'll be ready to head out the door. All right, so you just saw us go through and double check that we got power going to our power brakes. And I think with that, that's gonna wrap this boat up. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning on it, some vacuuming and stuff like that, and get it ready for the customer to pick up later on this week. So that's gonna conclude this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to leave us a comment, tell us what you liked, tell us what you wanna see in the future. And while you're here, we would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you guys in the next video.